What if I told you that Elon Musk is about to release a smartphone that can survive a 2.5-meter drop onto concrete, connect to the internet from literally anywhere on Earth, and never leave you stranded with a dead battery? In this video, you'll discover the groundbreaking features of Tesla's Pi 2026 smartphone that could completely disrupt Apple and Samsung's dominance. We'll explore its aerospace-grade titanium build, satellite internet connectivity, revolutionary battery technology, and why this device might be the last phone you'll ever need to buy. Welcome back to Tesla Torch, where we break down the latest innovations from the world's most disruptive tech company. If you're excited about the future of technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting-edge Tesla updates. Every smartphone user has experienced that heart-stopping moment when their device slips from their hands and crashes to the ground. You hold your breath, flip it over, and pray there's no damage. Well, Tesla is about to make that anxiety a thing of the past with the Pi 2026. This isn't just another incremental upgrade with a slightly better camera or a marginally faster processor. This is a complete reimagining of what a smartphone can be, starting with its construction. Tesla has done something that no other smartphone manufacturer has dared to attempt. They've built the Pi 2026 using aerospace-grade titanium alloy, specifically the same Ti6 Al4V grade that's used in SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket components. Think about that for a moment. The same material that withstands the extreme forces of rocket launches and space travel is now protecting your phone calls and text messages. This isn't just marketing hype either. Titanium alloys offer a unique combination that aluminum and steel simply can't match. Compared to the aluminum frames found in most premium smartphones, titanium is 3 times stronger while actually being lighter than steel. This allows Tesla's engineers to create a chassis that can absorb and distribute impact forces in ways that current flagship devices simply cannot handle. The real-world implications are staggering. While most premium smartphones can survive drops from about 1.2 meters before sustaining damage, the Tesla Pi 2026 can withstand falls from 2.5 meters onto concrete without a scratch. That's more than double the protection of devices costing over $1,000. But it gets even better. The titanium frame has a 6 OMO hardness rating, which approaches the scratch resistance of sapphire crystal. This means your phone will remain pristine even after years of being tossed into bags with keys, coins, and tools that would leave permanent marks on aluminum-bodied phones. But Tesla didn't stop at just making the Pi 2026 incredibly tough. They've also given it an IP69 certification, which is an industrial-grade protection standard that goes far beyond what we typically see in consumer electronics. Most flagship smartphones boast IP68 ratings, which offer protection against brief submersion in water or exposure to rain. The Pi 2026's IP69 certification means it can withstand submersion beyond 2 meters and survive direct exposure to high-pressure water jets up to 10 megapascals. To put that in perspective, that's equivalent to the force generated by commercial car wash systems. This level of protection is a game changer for anyone who works in challenging environments. Construction workers, contractors, mechanics, and outdoor enthusiasts can finally have a smartphone that matches their lifestyle. The Pi 2026 can be cleaned directly under workshop pressure hoses and operates normally even after exposure to pressurized water at 80 degrees Celsius. Its dust-tight sealing prevents infiltration of particles smaller than 0.1 micrometers, which means your camera lenses and charging ports will remain crystal clear and functional for years, not months. Tesla's automotive experience really shines through here. They've incorporated gasket technology that's been proven in millions of Model S vehicles, ensuring the device maintains its integrity through 10,000 pressure cycles at a 15 psi differential. This isn't just a phone that can handle a few splashes. This is a communication device that's built to last in the real world. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest pain points in modern smartphone ownership, battery life. How many times have you found yourself frantically searching for a charger or carrying around a bulky power bank just to make it through the day? Tesla has approached this problem with the same innovative thinking they bring to electric vehicles, and the results are nothing short of revolutionary. The Pi 2026 packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery. That's 58% more capacity than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and significantly more than Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. But raw capacity is just the beginning. This translates to approximately 8 days of moderate usage or 18 hours of continuous video streaming. Think about what this means for your daily routine. No more anxiety about your battery percentage. No more rationing your phone usage throughout the day. No more declining calls because you need to preserve battery life. When you do need to charge, Tesla's 120-watt fast-charging technology can restore a completely dead battery to 100% in just 15 minutes. Compare that to the iPhone's 27-watt system, which requires over 90 minutes to fully charge. This rapid charging is made possible by adapting the same lithium iron phosphate cell chemistry used in Tesla's Model 3 battery packs. This technology allows for incredibly fast energy transfer without the thermal degradation that limits conventional smartphone batteries and causes them to lose capacity over time. But here's where Tesla has truly outdone themselves. The Pi 2026 includes an integrated solar backup system that provides an unprecedented layer of energy independence. Just 1 hour of direct sunlight generates enough power for 3 to 4 hours of voice calls or essential communications. For professionals working extended outdoor shifts, travelers in remote locations, or anyone who's ever experienced the frustration of a completely dead battery at the worst possible moment, this feature is absolutely revolutionary. Imagine being on a camping trip, a construction site, or traveling in a developing country where power outlets are scarce. Your Pi 2026 could literally keep itself alive indefinitely as long as you have access to sunlight. This isn't just convenient. It could be life-saving in emergency situations where communication is critical. Traditional smartphones are entirely dependent on local cellular networks and carrier infrastructure. If you've ever traveled to rural areas or tried to get signal in remote locations, you know how frustrating it can be to see those dreaded no-service bars. The Tesla Pi 2026 completely bypasses these limitations with integrated Starlink satellite connectivity, and this changes everything about how we think about mobile communication. With Starlink integration, you can access the internet from literally anywhere on the planet. Whether you're in the middle of the Sahara Desert, on top of Mount Everest, or sailing in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, your Pi 2026 will have internet access. This isn't some slow emergency-only connection either. Current Starlink terminals deliver average download speeds of 150 megabits per second with latency as low as 20 milliseconds. To put that performance in perspective, seamless 4K video calling requires about 25 megabits per second of sustained bandwidth. This means you could conduct crystal-clear video conferences from places where conventional smartphones would show zero signal bars. For digital nomads, international business travelers, researchers, emergency responders, or anyone whose work takes them off the beaten path, this represents a fundamental shift in what's possible with mobile communication. Think about the implications for various industries. Search and rescue teams could maintain constant communication even in the most remote wilderness areas. International journalists could file reports from conflict zones or natural disaster areas where local infrastructure has been destroyed. Scientists conducting research in Antarctica or the Amazon could stay connected to their teams and share data in real time. The Pi 2026 doesn't just give you a phone. It gives you a truly global communication device. Smartphone cameras have improved dramatically over the years, but many devices still struggle in challenging conditions, producing blurry images in low light or failing to capture the detail and color accuracy that users expect. Tesla has addressed this with a sophisticated camera system that brings professional-grade imaging capabilities to everyday users. The Pi 2026 features a versatile triple camera setup with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses that cover focal lengths from 13mm to 120mm equivalent. This range provides the flexibility needed to capture stunning images in virtually any scenario, from sweeping landscape shots to detailed close-ups. Whether you're documenting a construction project, capturing family memories, or creating content for social media, you'll have the right tool for the job. But it's the video capabilities that really set the Pi 2026 apart. The device can record 8K video at 30 frames per second, generating files with a resolution of 7,680 by 4,320 pixels. This level of detail ensures that important moments, family gatherings, graduations, milestone celebrations, are preserved with exceptional clarity that will remain sharp and viewable for decades to come. When 8K displays become standard in homes and offices, your Pi 2026 videos will be ready. Tesla's advanced AI processing automatically compensates for handshake and low light conditions, making it possible for anyone to capture professional quality photos without needing to understand complex camera settings. The system intelligently analyzes each scene and optimizes exposure, color balance, and focus in real time. Whether you're a professional photographer who appreciates having powerful tools in your pocket, or a casual user who just wants great photos every time, the Pi 2026's camera system delivers. For Tesla vehicle owners, the Pi 2026 offers seamless integration that represents a significant leap forward in connected device technology. Instead of fumbling through multiple apps or complex interfaces, Tesla owners can control their vehicles directly from their phone with intuitive, streamlined controls. This includes everything from climate control and charging status to security monitoring and performance metrics. But this integration goes deeper than just convenience. It's part of Tesla's broader vision of creating an ecosystem where vehicles, devices, and energy systems work together seamlessly. As Tesla expands into home energy storage and solar panels, the Pi 2026 could become the central control hub for your entire energy ecosystem. Imagine monitoring your home's solar production, your vehicle's charging status, and your energy usage patterns, all from a single device that's built to last for years. The Tesla Pi 2026 represents more than just another smartphone option. It's a direct challenge to the incremental improvement philosophy that has dominated the industry for years. While Apple and Samsung focus on marginal upgrades like slightly better cameras or marginally faster processors, Tesla has reimagined what a smartphone should be capable of from the ground up. By prioritizing durability, battery life, global connectivity, and profession, AL-grade features, Tesla is forcing the entire industry to reconsider what consumers actually want from their mobile devices. If the Pi 2026 delivers on its promises, it could trigger a fundamental shift in smartphone design priorities that benefits everyone. The use of aerospace materials, industrial-grade protection standards, and satellite connectivity sets new benchmarks for what we should expect from devices that cost over $1,000. Why should we accept phones that crack from minor drops when aerospace-grade materials are available? Why should we tolerate daily charging when better battery technology exists? Why should we accept limited connectivity when global satellite internet is a reality? So, should you consider switching to the Tesla Pi 2026? That depends on what you value most in a smartphone. If you're tired of treating your phone like a fragile piece of jewelry, if you're frustrated by battery anxiety and daily charging routines, if you need reliable connectivity regardless of location, or if you want professional-grade camera capabilities, the Pi 2026 offers compelling solutions to these common pain points. The Pi 2026 isn't just targeting tech enthusiasts or early adopters. It's designed for professionals who need reliable tools, adventurers who push boundaries, creatives who demand quality, and anyone who wants a device that can truly keep up with their lifestyle without compromise. As technology continues to evolve, the lines between our devices, vehicles, and infrastructure are becoming increasingly blurred. The Tesla Pi 2026 represents a bold step toward a future where our mobile devices are not only smarter, but also tougher, more reliable, and more capable than ever before. Whether Tesla can deliver on all these promises remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. The Pi 2026 has already changed the conversation about what's possible in smartphone design. As the industry takes note of Tesla's bold approach, we may be witnessing the beginning of a new era in mobile technology. One where innovation takes priority over convention, and where the impossible becomes within reach. The Tesla Pi 2026 isn't just a smartphone. It's a statement about what happens when you refuse to accept limitations and instead ask what's actually possible with today's technology. For users who demand the best in every aspect of their mobile experience, this could be the device that finally delivers on the promise of truly revolutionary smartphone technology. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the Tesla Pi 2026. What feature impressed you most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tesla Torch for more coverage of the latest innovations from the world's most disruptive tech company. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.